people here. Thank you so much for, oh yes, round of applause. Yeah! Woo! Thank you so much for joining the Gitpod Berlin meetup. I have to apologize first and foremost. I did the Gitpod Munich meetup yesterday and I am exhausted. But we're going to go through this and I'm excited to connect with you all over pizza and have a chat about how you're using Gitpod and about some of the interesting conversations that we'll have about the talks again today. So I just wanted to start just to say this is our sixth meetup of the year. So we had this idea in December to bring our mostly online community together in person, and that happened in December, and I was like, yeah, let's do it, let's make that happen. And then in January we kicked off our first ever in-person meetup in Paris, and then after that it kind of took a mind of its own in the community, which has been amazing to see. So then our next one was here in London, and then this one is in a small town in France called Brest, and there are 42 people showed up. This was completely community-led. And then the fourth one we did was in Amsterdam, again, completely community-led. And then yesterday, like I said, we did one in Munich and 50 people showed up, which was amazing. And yeah, we had a lot of Gitpodders as well. Our CEO, Johannes, gave a talk about cloud development environments, and sadly he's not here today, but he wanted to say hi to everyone. So yeah, I'm really excited to have been hosting these meetups and for them kind of just to take a life of their own. And also, I forgot this yesterday, and I just remembered I forgot to say, hi everyone, I'm Pauline. I head up the community at Gitpod, in case you're wondering who I am. Okay, so I also wanted to say thank you to Source Labs for hosting us in their WeWork room. This isn't the best venue, but they said they tried to make it work, and it was a huge struggle for me to try and find the venue here in Berlin. If for future meetups, anyone has a venue that we can use, let me know, because this is definitely going to be the first of many. But yeah, thank you, Source Labs. So in terms of agenda today, 10 minutes of me telling you about what to expect and some other things. But we have our first talk by Jeffrey here, who will be talking about DevX in 80% of DevX in 20-ish minutes. And then we have some food coming, which we can connect. And also, we don't have to stay in this room. We can go out and get into a better space. By the way, feel free to sit. It's fine, don't worry. And then we have a talk by Julius here about Prometheus. Then we'll have some more closing remarks and networking time. And then the meetup closes and ends at 9 o'clock. Awesome. So the most important part of this is we are running a competition, and we're trying to give away as many of these Gitpod fan boxes out as possible. We just have too many of them, and I also want to give them out to the community. So for a chance to win one of these boxes, where you get these really cool socks, I don't know if you can see, these are socks, everyone wants them. And yeah, for a chance to win that, you just have to use the hashtag #GitpodBerlin, and I will find it everywhere on the internet as long as you use this hashtag and tag Gitpod if you want. So yeah, and you can use you can tweet about what you're learning, who you've met, or anything about the meetup today. And just as an example, I think the first thing I'll do is I'll take a selfie just to kick things off with the whole room, and then I'll tweet it. So, okay, is everyone ready? Oh no, this is a really strange room. Okay, is everyone in? Oh, Julius, I'm gonna have to, can you go this way? Yes, perfect. Okay, you all ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, another one. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Yay! Amazing. Okay, so that is an example of a tweet I would send, and I would definitely win this fan box. So yes, feel free to tweet and share on socials what you're learning today. Okay, we are ready to kick off for the first talk of the evening, and that is by Jeffrey.